In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a questionnaire to your Wix website. This process will be simple and straightforward, guiding you through each step with ease, so even if you're not particularly tech savvy, you should find this manageable. First, we'll start by heading over to Jotform. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the My Forms page. This area is essentially your workspace for creating and managing forms. Once you're there, look for the Create Form option and click on it. This is where you'll begin crafting your questionnaire. Next, you'll see the option to use template, which can save you a lot of time. Templates are pre-made forms that you can customize to suit your needs, so go ahead and click on that. Then navigate to questionnaire templates. This selection will show you a variety of templates specifically designed for questionnaires. Browse through these and select the one that best fits what you're aiming to accomplish. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template to open it up for editing. Here's where you can really make the form your own. Feel free to adjust the questions, modify the format, and customize every aspect to align with your purpose. Remember, the goal here is to make the questionnaire effective and engaging for your audience, so take your time tweaking it until you're satisfied. After you have your questionnaire all set up, it's time to make it live. Head over to the Publish button and click on it. You'll then want to find and click on the Embed option. Embedding is how we're going to take this form and place it on your Wix website. When you see the option to copy code, click on it to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now that you have this code ready to go, switch over to your Wix website. Open the Wix editor for the page where you'd like to add your questionnaire. Look for the plus icon on the editor toolbar, which will allow you to add a new element. Click this, then choose Embed Code from the options. Under Embed Code, select the Embed HTML option. This will bring up an area where you can paste the code you copied from Jotform. Once pasted, click Update to apply and save the changes. And there you have it. Your questionnaire is now seamlessly integrated into your Wix website. It's a great tool for gathering insights and engaging with your audience, and now it's just a few clicks away from the people you want to reach. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to revisit any steps if you need a refresher. Happy form building!